the thermodynamic process in which no work is done on or by the gas. We have to identify in which thermodynamic process there will be no work is done on the gas or no work is done by the gas. Now the first one, isothermal process. We know that for isothermal process, what is the formula for work done? In isothermal process, temperature is kept constant and there is change in pressure with change in volume. So for isothermal process, work done is equal to nRT into ln of Vf log of Vf upon Vi. Second one means here work done is there, it may be positive or it may be negative. Second, isobaric process. Second one is what? Isobaric process. In isobaric process, what is the formula for amount of work done? In isobaric process, we know in isothermal process temperature T is constant. In isobaric process pressure P is constant. So amount of work done is equal to P into final volume minus initial volume. Means here also net work done will never be zero. Now the third one, adiabatic process. Regarding adiabatic process, what you can say? In adiabatic process, exchange of heat between system and surrounding is not allowed. Exchange of heat between system and surrounding is not allowed. So therefore, the amount of work done in adiabatic process, it is given by formula Pi Vi minus Pf Vf divided by what? Gamma minus 1, or it is R divided by gamma minus 1 into what? T2 minus T1. R divided by gamma minus 1 into R divided by gamma minus 1 in bracket T2 minus T1 means either in isothermal or in isobaric or in adiabatic process work done is not zero. But as far as isochoric process is concerned, in case of isochoric process, we know that thermodynamic process in which volume remains constant, and as volume remains constant, delta V equal to 0, and work done which is equal to P into delta V, that is P into 0 is equal to 0. So in isochoric process amount of work done is 0. So out of 4 thermodynamic process, isochoric process is that process in which amount of work done is 0. So D is the correct option for this question. So out of 4 option D, that is isochoric process, is that thermodynamic process in which no work is done or work done is equal to 0 either on the gas or by the gas. So D is the correct option for this question.